Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Janine Beatisula Panisa, 30 years old, married with two kids, ages 12 years old and 10 years old, and one daughter, age 6 years old, living at Barangay Pagdugi, Dumangas, Iloilo, with 4 sisters and 6 brothers. I am a 2-year course college graduate.
Okay, so you have 3 children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you the one taking care of your 3 children since their birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad?
No, ma'am, but here in the Philippines, I am a domestic helper for 4 years to a couple with 2 kids, age 4 years old and 5 years old. I do all the household work like cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and ironing clothes, but my main job is to take good care of the children.
So how would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am, at my left and right wrist.
Okay, so do you have any surgical operation or serious sickness before?
Yes, ma'am, CS, that was 6 years ago.
So can you assure that is it okay for you to do all the hard work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, to be able to send my children to school and to build a house for my family.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband and both our parents, ma'am.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up at around 5 a.m., ma'am.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
And in Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How will you control your temper?
I will be more patient and understanding to them, ma'am.
If you are homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work, ma'am, and I will always remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
And are you willing to share room with the kids or elder?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, I will check the temperature of the baby, and if the baby is sick, I will immediately call the employer.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, and I am willing to extend my contract if my employer needs me.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give example.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, what do you do? Play guitar, that's what I do.
Okay, thank you. Can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you will select me as your helper. I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I am willing to serve your family with all my best. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.